What's good, everybody, man? It's your boy Kenny Chao. We back with another video. If you're new, you know what to do, man. Go smash that subscribe button. Pack opening. Haven't done one in a long time, but I've seen a lot of people hit on these. Got my boy Sasha right here. You don't open packs though, huh?
I don't really open too many packs, so I'm excited.
Alright, dog.
Hopefully Kenny brings some luck right here.
Bro, what if we hit some crazy shit?
We'll just go to PSA and drop it off right now.
Look, the lady in the blue, she actually hooked me up. The guy was trying to sell for 125. She said sell to 115. He was doing the giveaway, so, and she chose the box. So it might be good luck. We'll see.
Hopefully.
But a lot of people have been hitting in these, so I don't know. We'll see. What's the craziest car? Is it they got the zebras in here, right? All right, bro. You choose. Here, we'll go like this. We'll go 1-1. We'll get 3 each. So go. Choose one first. All right.
Want to rip it first?
No. Choose another one. Choose another one. All right. All right. Let me see what you get, bro. All right. Run it up. Run it up.
Michael Aaron. I don't know who that is. Huh? No.
Herbert, Tua, Hurts, Love,
CJ Ham.
Burrow.
Yeah, I know Burrow. But what's this? Jonathan Taylor. So that's a rookie. There we go.
Okay.
And then Antonio Golden. Well, nothing really there. I got one rookie.
Lots of rookies though. Oh, it's a blaster.
How you feeling?
This guy's gonna get for the waves, the waves.
All right.
Ooh!
Hey,
let's go!
Die cut Jalen Hurts.
That's
No, we got sleeves. We got sleeves.
Yeah, you need to top load that into.
Dude, we need
That's a
sleeves,
10, bro.
bro.
Something big. Top load that.
It looks scratched though, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro.
Damn, man.
We can take these. Yeah, I know we need sleeves.
Michael Piper back.
Lamar Jackson, that's not bad.
Cam Akers. Okay, I go there. Hey, but this Jalen Hurts though, bro.
Yeah, you need to sleeve.
Low key, I need some sleeves, man.
Top load that.
Yo, can you find some sleeves?
Oh shit.
Right here. Oh, there we go.
Bro, this is a fucking banger. Thank you, bro. Oh my gosh.
That's sick.
Bro, what the hell?
Nice, bro.
That's at least $80.
Shout out to the lady, man. She hooked it up.
That's $80 around, probably. Minimum 60. Sheesh.
Alright. Damn, that's a nice hit.
Yeah, I'll buy that for you right now for 50.
Might have to keep it, man. Say 115, pay for the buy. I might do it. Alright, go ahead, bro. Let me see what you get.
I got
Hey, the looks on the side right now. Come on.
No.
Jeez.
What's that number? That number?
No, I don't think it's
You got die cut.
Brian Edwards.
Oh, you got to insert. Oh, you got to die cut. Please be a rookie.
Josh
Oh,
Jason.
Not good?
He's a top 10.
And Jonathan, who's this?
Hey, he
Jonathan
might be
Hightower?
playing with Carson Wentz right there, bro.
Sheesh.
Oh my God, we going crazy.
Yeah, that's he's gonna use up.
This pack, man. This pack's hot.
Hey, this pack's nice, bro. All right.
Oh, that was a Herbert? Yeah, selected.
No, this select packs are really good. There are.
Oh, shit. We got two, bro. Did I see two?
There's two.
All right.
Oh
my gosh. Shit.
You have to let me know if you want.
What?
You have to let me know if you got anything from the
Oh,
card.
we got some good stuff.
fire.
We got some good stuff. Thank you.
Yeah, I
Thank
chose
you.
a good box.
Thank you. All right.
Jimmy Garoppolo.
Orange is nice.
Hey, you got another one. Got another one.
That's still good.
Damn, Zeke. All right. Still pretty nice. All right.
They blue balled you, bro.
I know, bro. 2 die cuts? Okay, 4 die cuts in this?
It's a fat pack.
Is this flat pack?
That means it's a...
It's a nice little...
Flip it. Turn around.
Damn.
Yeah, we got one. Yeah, but you got one.
All right, bro. Oh, you got another one. Another die
J.K.
cut?
Dobbins.
J.K. Dobbins.
Michael Piper.
man. What it do?
75. Cheese.
All right.
Last pack gadget?
All right, man. Come on.
You need a zebra. Zebra's in this?
Yeah,
It was.
Oh, it's not?
No, it's in the black shirt too. I think.
yeah, the zebra.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I must be thinking it's a tiger. Here we go.
All right. We got a die cut, so we'll see. Larry.
Vince. Ooh.
Silver.
Nick Chubb. All right. What team?
Vikings. Justin Jefferson.
Justin Jefferson.
Hit. Oh shit. Hey, we went crazy in this pack, man. Damn, bro.
That's solid.
Bro, that's a solid.
Dude, that she picked a good pack, bro.
Where is she, bro?
I want to buy another one. How much was it?
Damn.
Bro, let's
Hey,
just get
man.
a bunch of rosters.
Do I get half?
Jefferson. What was that?
Do I get half?
Half? Let me see.
Give her all the base.
No, don't.
You know what?
Do some questions with those.
Do some questions with these. Alright. Just because you picked it, if you answer this question right, I'll give you this one.
What?
Yeah. If you answer this question right,
Okay.
alright?
I don't know football.
You can't look. What college did he play for? Don't look up anything. No
college.
No help. No help.
No, I don't watch football.
I tried.
No, congratulations. I'm
Thank
happy
you so
for
much.
you.
I appreciate it.
Enjoy
it. She picked the box. It was credit to her. It wasn't on video, but thank you so
Enjoy
much.
it.
Thank you. Hey man,
It's content.
got some hit, bro. Jacob Eason. Checker die. This is probably the biggest one.
that's
for
the-
sure.
that's the big-
Actually, I don't know. Which over the
Yeah, always QB. Jayla's top 4.
he hasn't really been played yet though.
Played a little bit and did
Yeah,
not
but
bad.
now he gonna get burned. So this gonna be a crazy card. Obviously, you can't go wrong with
Yeah, no,
Justin,
Justin Jefferson's nice too.
Jimmy. But damn, that was a hit, bro.
That was fun, bro. Fuck.
Run a box? They got some
We might have to run.
Let's run it back.
We should run it back. How much was it?
It's supposed to be for 115. You probably Sheesh. Hey man, got some hits. Must be the you know, we filmed a banger today. This was another banger, man. I haven't opened packs in a long time. I missed the fun, bro. But sheesh, got some crazy hits, dog. Crazy hits. I think Jacob's gonna get some burn this year too. But what's his face gone now? Jacob might get some burn. It might be a valuable card, but this is a banger. Hey man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Go check out Sasha's link in the description down below. We're about to do a pack opening on his channel. Yeah man, appreciate y'all for watching.